Everybody, this time we're gonna make hot corned beef on kosher rye bread. Okay, I got it. There we go. So, and we're using Walmart stuff. Okay, we're using organic spring mix because I'm making it in a different way. I'm going to show you how I'm making it. So we got corned beef here. It's not Walmart's brand because I want a premium brand, and I'm using premium corned beef from Brazil. So already brocced it here. We're gonna put this in the microwave for about 2 minutes. I don't want to put it longer because if you put it longer, it might start to get a little hard. So I want to make sure it's well cooked. Now these that come in the can, they steam them in the can, so it's pre-cooked. That's how they do it, and add what they have to add. Now you could cook it another way, but we're cooking it this way because you want to make it easy and simple. So you want to take out the bread, put it down on the table. Okay, I'm gonna wait. Because last time we made cold tuna on cold tuna on Italian bread. Well, it was cold tuna on white Italian bread. That was how that one. This one here we're using it on rye bread. It's a little different. Now, if you don't like rye bread, you could use any other bread because we're doing it a different way. So, gonna use poppyseed. We're gonna use a relish. Gonna use and spring mix greens. Yeah. Now you could put cheese. Some people put the traditional one is corned beef with cheese, mustard, and all that. But I don't want to put all that stuff on. I want to make it a little different. We're gonna add some black pepper. We'll get that later. Get that up there. So this is the way we're making it. So you can see this way is another way of making it, okay? Because inexpensive, okay? Yeah. And using mostly Walmart stuff, okay? So I'm also using sweet relish, whatever we can get. Yeah, you know. Okay, almost done. Comes out like that. Here we go. Now, I never take the top of the bread. I usually take the second or the third piece of bread. Using this one here. Okay, this is Walmart's bread. You know, as you know, Walmart doesn't make anything. Everything's made for them. Let's see. Should be marked it. All right. Now, not everybody likes rye, but okay. So I'm putting it like this. This is the way I usually make it. No sense to waste it. Okay. Plate's a little hot. We have a lot of stuff getting ready to go in the dishwasher, so I'm just trying to use what I can. Normally, I get things out. So, two ways of doing this. could put some sweet relish. On top, like so. Okay. Now, two ways of doing this is put the greens on top, then sprinkle the poppy seeds. So I'm just gonna grab some. These are just mixed greens, organic. You can use organic, you can use what you want. And I place it right on top, like so. I don't want to put too much because it'll spill over. Okay. And then we take some creamy poppy seeds, dressing and dip, which is pretty good. They say a limited edition. This is at Walmart. Okay, so I'm gonna go like this. Drizzle it on top. Okay. And we can just put it on top like so. Now you could cut this, and that's how it would look. So let's get these out of the way and focus on just the item in play. Because we want to make it look. Okay. So this is what I have. So this is on rye. So doesn't that look good? You could use cheese. You could put anything. You could make it the traditional way. You could put black pepper in there. You could put anything. Well, already the poppy seeds have it in there. But you can put onion powder. You can put some salt. You can make it like that. You can make it anywhere you want. Okay? Because everybody has different tastes and everybody has different ways of making things. This is why I make it. This is very delicious. So, here you go. Okay, so bon appetit, and thanks again for watching, and we'll have another video coming soon. Thank you very much. Bye-bye now. Don't hate. Okay. 1, 2, and...